So today I got this airplane candy from Hello Kitty. And I'm really curious what kind of candy this is because I don't think that I can eat this here. Look, this is plastic. So yeah, I'm really curious where is the candy and how does it look like. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you what's written inside here. It's really difficult to rip it off. Yeah, I made it. It's really difficult, so I don't know if this is really supposed to be for small kids. Maybe it's for adults. How is it pronounced? Man, my English is so bad. I think my English is not more bad than the English of the junk food taster, if you know it. Pullback action with moving propeller. Okay, so there is a candy. So we got the collection here. I think the collection is the one who is sitting inside the car, the vehicle, the plane. So yeah, read it if you want to. Do not if you want not to do. I think my English is only today a bit bad. I don't know why, but maybe it's because I'm a little bit ill. So I can't concentrate so good. And we have a backside here, so I'll read it too if you want to. Some languages are really funny, I think. Washuing. Really funny word for me. What is your most funniest word which you can read here? Hiatus. I only read the big ones because I'm lazy. Airplane candy. Yeah, cool. Okay, that was the boring stuff. For me, it's always boring to read the whole description. And yeah, I read only my part most of the time. Not always. So yeah, plastic. We got here some plastic and it's really difficult to open. And I forgot my knife. Man. Okay, I did it. It wasn't that difficult. Okay, so wow. What was that? Wow, really cool. Wait, I have to try it. How does it work? Okay. Really interesting. I don't know. Oh, okay. Really cool. Okay, for kids, I think this is really cool toy for kids. Can you pull it out? No, you can't. Or I'm too stupid to do it. No, I don't want to break it. So yeah, this is the toy. I'm going to open it here at the back because I think there should be some candy. Twist for candy. Oh, this was easy. So this is really difficult. This is really difficult. I think you aren't supposed to take or rip it out. I think you are supposed to open it here. And why is it so difficult? This is for children. Either I'm too stupid or man, I didn't get my knife with me. This is really difficult, guys, so if you think, man, this guy is just stupid, no, this is really difficult. Because I'm going to use my teeth. Okay. Okay, fuck this shit. It's almost open. Wait, I do it one more time. Damn it. Why is it so difficult? Guys, you don't have to watch me right now. Just skip forward. Because... damn. Wait. Wait, I will make it. And this is for children, guys. Maybe they aren't supposed to get the candy. Okay, I got it open now. So we can take it out here. Wow. This tastes really fake. This tastes so much. Okay, this tastes like a fruit. I don't know which one. Really intense flavor. I taste with this one. Wow. Oh, guys. This tastes so fake. Like this. Like this. No, I can't describe it. This is so disgusting. This is really bad. So thumbs down, double thumbs down for this candy. This tastes so fake. This is so unhealthy, I think. Guys, I don't want to eat this anymore. So really thumbs down for this candy, but I think the toy is really cool. So if you got children, damn, I have broken it. Okay, so if you got children, I think a child wouldn't be able to open this bag. Or maybe you would, but it's really difficult. If you have children, give them the plane, but take the toy candy out. I think this isn't good. Put something healthier in it. Or if you don't care, give them the candy. Anyway, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and like the video if you haven't liked it yet. So we see you next time. Bye.